Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you QGeem. This is multi-USB hub or dock station or whatever you call him. Actually guys, at the moment this is the best one in the world. You know guys, I saw a lot of useless videos on YouTube, a lot of people that they talk about what they don't know, a lot of people that do not explain anything. You come to me here, I'll explain you everything really clearly after searching day and night behind this. If you know guys, I have a YouTube channel, another one, HRUSHEVSKOHO for gaming. I'm using OBS program for recording etc. And there was one I record in 60 FPS, okay, 60 frames per second. I bought this anchor. It's completely useless. This one, this is 30 FPS, but he can't handle recording for a long time. When he got hot, it's not cool. Honestly, shame on anchor, it's not cool. I don't like it. This one I'm gonna unbox it now for you, and as you see guys, US post came from United States. Yeah baby. But guys, before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now. Subscribe like this, like a man, like a warrior. So let me tell you why this is the best USB hub or the best docking station at the moment, and why I chose it. Pentagon sent it to me. This is 14.1, as you see, 4K plugging a display, universal docking station, and blah blah blah. Let's. Oh la la. Guarantee. Okay. This is user manual, how to use it, how to not use it. We'll see about this later. Let's put out the bad boy and keep him here. Let's see what we have in the box. Guys, I adore unboxing, you know. I adore unboxing stuff, you know. Anything else? Okay, as you see, nothing here. So we have nothing much. We have, oh my god, I don't have this type of electric, you know, in Europe here. Okay, we're gonna connect it later. And we have the USB-C. Wow, see guys, it's huge. It's not heavy, but his size of iPhone until here is size of bigger than iPhone. See guys, we have here jack audio, okay? We have SD card and TV. We have USB 3.1, USB 3.1, not 3.0. Listen to me guys, there is another QGeem I'm gonna show you now. He's 17.1, this is 14.1, but the other one is the same like this one and more expensive, but he have 3 USB type, 3 USB 3, but 3.0, not 3.1. This one's 3.1, this one's faster, and the same everything as I show you now. USB-C in, this is in for laptop or like this, you got me? Here, the other side here we have LAN, HDMI. Here's the point here, HDMI recording 4K 60 FPS, and even guys, they say it's up to 5K, as you see here. Display port, this is amazing, and another second HDMI and another display port, plugging in for charging, and this is for the dock station, and this is to lock him, but I don't have the keys. See guys, this is everything you can imagine. Even you can connect you connect him to your iPad or your iPhone if you're gonna record through your iPad like me, and you can hear from here through the audio jack. This is so cool option, to be honest with you. You know guys, there is 2 videos on YouTube. There is guy, he collect all USB dock stations in the world, and he show you this is useless, he threw it in trash can. His video is completely useless. You know why guys? Because he focus about the sending and receiving speed for the memory card. You can watch this video on YouTube. He's showing this dock station is useless, he threw him this. I watched his video over than half hour, and in the end his video is useless. He not focus about anything in the dock station except that SD card. This one is slower than this one is SD card, he receive and send files faster. Who care about memory card anymore? Who care? Even the camera, if you have camera and you have SD card, you don't have this type of SD card anymore. The professional cameras have the SV camera memory, the fat one. And now you can connect through USB and take all photos from your camera to your laptop through USB. You don't need even dock station, you don't need any of these memories. This is almost nothing. He didn't focus about this USB is 3.1. He not focus about the recording 4K, how it looks like how I show you now. This is the important point here. What I care about memory card and not memory card. You know guys, with all due respect for a lot of YouTubers, and without being cookie or anything like this, there is a lot of YouTubers, they are useless, to be honest with you, and they don't know what they are talking about. He just saw product, he collects some products, or he go borrow some products or whatever, he out talk about without that he study what he's saying before he out. You got me? As for me guys, everything I unbox it on my channel, and I'm talking about points that you wanna hear it. That's why. As I show you now, they say that it's recording up to 5K, which is mean even in the future you may need it with your 8K screen, or even in the future YouTube is gonna be 6K or 8K, and OBS will have the options or any recording devices like Elgato or anything like this, so you may need it. You understand? This is an important option. Now I show you that this one is 3.1 and this is the only one that 3.1, you have to know. The other one that I show you is 3.0. Yeah, from 1 to 0 is not a big deal, but since it's the same and the other one is more expensive, why don't I go to 3.1? Why not 3.0? 17.1, 14.1, this is so enough for me. 3 USB, 2 and 1 for audio jack, I need it. HDMI, recording 4K, 60 FPS, this is the most important for me. The other options I don't care about. So guys, this video I just made it for you, just to tell you why you have to choose this. I'm gonna record to you Call of Duty Mobile gaming on my second channel. We're gonna see how it looks like. I don't know, to be as the performance, as the option what they wrote, this is the best in the market at the moment. And this company is not bad, by the way. They are a nice famous company. Maybe there is something more better than this in market, but at the moment I don't see. I searched right and left in markets, I didn't see something better than this at the moment. I want to tell you something guys, one final thing. This anchor is working by USB only, you got me? He doesn't have power source like this one. This one you need the adapter. Always know something, the one with adapter will give you better performance than the one without adapter. This one, first of all, he not handle 4K. He got hot, my game start lagging. I thought this is from my laptop, or like my laptop is gaming. I thought this is maybe from my iPad, no, it's from him. He can't handle. This one really going to handle whatever you record, anytime, in any degree. So anyway guys, this is what I was sharing with you. If you are confusing which one you have to choose this, trust me, it's gonna work with you. I'm gonna test the next video, I'm gonna tell you what's my opinion. And we'll see another video, with Objection. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. I know you like the video. I know you like the video. Come on man, you can't leave the door open like this. And peace and love and money for all of you.